It's a snacker comparison video. What's up, backstage? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, hey! My name's Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 Gifts. If you love all things 31 and what it stands for, consider yourself a bag babe. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, so you don't miss another video. This video is all about comparing the two most popular snackers that are hot right now for the summer 2021. If you want to know about all the fun things that are happening on this channel, like my giveaways, my mystery hostess, and all that, wait till the very end of the comparison and I will totally give you all the information. Now, you girls know the purpose of this channel is to help you shop our awesome 31 catalogs. If you don't know, we currently have 2 catalogs and more that are currently available on our website. If you want a copy of the catalog, there is a Google Doc down below. Feel free to Facebook message me, or you can check out this link up above and you can actually see a flip through of our summer guide that is good for June and July. So you'll have 2 months to shop from this. And then also our spring guide that is good until the end of summer, which is August. And in each of these guides, we have our popular snackers. If you're new to 30, you're like, what's the big deal about these snackers? Not only are they cute and reusable, but there's 101 ways to use it. So let's go ahead and compare the cool Zip Snacker and the Snack and Go. Now, before we go into the comparison of these two, let's go ahead and see what they both have in common. Not only are they compact, reusable, they both have zipper closures. Yes, they are both thermal on the inside, as you can see. They both are washable material. And don't forget, they're also cute. The cool Zip Snacker. As I mentioned, this guy just launched in this catalog, and there is 4 to choose from. Here are 2 of them. Here's 2 of them. I will link all of them down below so you can easily shop them. This is not the current print, but we have 4 adorable prints, as I mentioned. So one thing about this, they both cost the same, $12. But these guys are a little funner, okay? Their patterns are cuter. They have a little extra fabric to make things stick out, and so they're great for kids, if you have any, and also grandkids. Size-wise, this is 5 by 4, so it is smaller, so 5 inches by 4 inches. Again, it does have the thermal lining in here. Zip closed and total food safety. Now, if you don't want to use this as a thermal, totally okay, because you can put some goldfish in there. There's 101 ways to use this. Personally, I use this as my travel electronics pouch. So this is another old print of ours. So as you can see, when I travel, I put like my AirPods, my chargers, and an extra set of headphones in here. So these slide super nicely into in any of our zipper pouches of our purses. So I know I can put that in there, and if I need anything electronic, I can pull out my little snacker, even though it's not a snacker, and I know this is my electronics, okay? Next is our Snack and Go pouch, okay? We currently have several prints available in here. Again, just like the other one, same price, same concept with the thermal lining, but bigger. So this guy does not have the extra decoration, so you can see how much bigger this is. So size-wise, this is almost an inch taller and 2 inches wider than our Cool Zip Snacker. So this is 5.75 by height, and this is 7 inches by length. It does kind of go this way, so it is wider at the top than at the bottom. These are great, reusable, water-resistant material, washable. I do have our standard Ziploc sandwich bag here, and I wanted you girls so you could see the size-wise. A sandwich can totally fit in here, all right? And more. So I'm hiding it from the back. It's gone, except for the little part up here. But for the most part, boom, sandwich size. These come, again, in several different prints. 7 to be exact, so whatever you choose will totally match your personality or your matching thermal accessory. As always, our customer, all day, everyday customer special, spend 50, get any item at 50% off. So if you want to grab several of these because you have several people you want to gift them to, go for it. And guess what? You can grab a bigger tote for 50% off. There are so many ways that you can use this. Not only are they good for snacks, organization with your medicine. Medicine do go well in here. For your electronics, for your makeup. Let me know down below what are some great ideas you use your little snackers, either the snacker or the pouch. Who knows, your comment might just give somebody an awesome idea. Now make sure when you shop this, go ahead and shop my mystery hostess. Link is down below. You girls know I always try to reach our $500 and we're ready there. That way you get double the rewards, meaning you get to pick 2 insider exclusives and everything doubles. The winner of that will be announced on the 26th. We have a few giveaways on this channel. One, if you're shopping with me, tie-dye stripe essential storage tote, which is on low inventory. So if you're loving this guy, make sure you grab it sooner than later. I'm going to be adding goodness to it. I actually reached out to some of you bag babes to help me fill this guy with a ton of goodies, because every time I get hit to $100 mark, guess what? I'm going to put a goodie in there. We still got half the month to go. So it's going to be packed. I know it. If you haven't seen my collaboration with Casey, with Home with Casey, I do have a Dollar Tree haul giveaway with her, and she's doing a giveaway on her channel. I'm going to link that down below and also the video up above so you could totally check it out. Now, if your list is growing and you want to party it up, make sure you reach out to your consultant or feel free to reach out to me. There are so many ways to party. You could do a party of one, you could do online party, Facebook party, whatever kind of party. We can chit chat about it. Be sure to design a party that suits you and your friends and family. Now, if you really love everything 31, because our fall lineup is going to be launching in a couple months here. Don't forget, on June, we have Share the Sunshine incentive. When you grab yourself a kit with 31, you're going to get an additional $31. And not only that, as a newbie, you get a ton of free stuff as well. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me or reach out to the consultant that you would like to go ahead and work with. We are looking for both leaders and consultants alike. So if the 31 perks suit you, let's do this. And if you haven't yet, come join me on Saturdays during Bag Babe TV, where you go live with me and the other awesome bag babes in this community, where we just chit chat about everything. We do 30 minutes of a little fun and games and talk about 31, and then you do a live Q&A with me. And it's when you girls go ahead and own the platform, ask me questions, ask each other questions. We explore personalization ideas and so much more. So if you love the vibe in this tribe, hit that subscribe button, check out these other playlists that I have for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!